Hey loves, in today's video I will be showing you how I created this sweet look using the Nicka K Birthday Cake 9-color palette. This is the second video in my Nicka K 9-color palette series. The playlist will be linked in the description. I purchased the Nicka K Birthday Cake 9-color palette from the beauty supply store for $3. This brightly colored palette has 3 shimmers and 6 mattes. I am using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader to highlight my brow bone with the Amuse Cosmetics Smokey Eyes Shadow in Cream. I am taking this dark yellow shade on my E.L.F. eye crease brush and applying it in and above the crease of my eye. With my Remi Rose eyeshadow brush, I am applying this matte teal blue to the outer 1/3 of my lid. I am applying this shimmery light blue to the remainder of my lid using my AOA E113. I am highlighting my brow bone with the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Highlighting Platinum Bar in Winter Bloom using the Colormates eyeshadow brush. I am blending my brow bone highlight into my crease color using the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow brush. For my winged liner, I use the Nicka K eye pencil in brown. I applied a thin coat of the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. Now I'm going to apply the Laflare 3D Faux Mink Lash in the style 12. Moving down to the lower lash line, I'm applying this peachy pink color using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I am applying the Nicka K brown eye pencil to my waterline as well. I am applying the Fat Lash Mascara to my lower lashes. I am using my Bazic Beauty small eyeshadow brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the Winter Bloom highlighter. Here's my completed eye makeup look using the Nicka K Birthday Cake palette. I love the colors that I chose for this look, and the brown liner just made it a little more fall in my opinion. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of today's video down below in a comment. Also, have you tried any of the Nicka K 9-color palettes? If so, let me know which one. Check the description for all of the products that I used, and until next time, bye loves!